And this will be the last, the final, the very end of Sum 41. That'll be the last record. See? I'm sorry. Time has come. Thank you for all your boos. Thank you. So let's kick it off right. This song is called Landmines.